always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's hard.
Yo, YouTube, what it do? Mr. Hustle Hard with another one, y'all. And today, man, I want to play with the Pocket Rocket. Yeah, earlier this morning, I wish I should have recorded. I wasn't thinking, but earlier it wasn't running. It was probably just because of bad gas, that was up in there. But what I end up doing, I end up just taking the whole little carburetor apart. Hold on, because I just got this cover on. I just got this sitting on there right now, y'all. I don't have it bolted down or nothing. But yeah. Oh shit. Little carburetor down there. Then it's out the way. I need to get another filter, air filter for it. But yeah, I just took the carburetor apart. And cleaned all the jets out and all the passageways and ports and whatnot. All that good stuff. The only thing that's really holding is this bolt and the one on the other side of it, off the intake. And the choke. But other than that, just unscrew the throttle off. That's right here. It's the throttle. Just unscrew that off. Which should be hand tight anyway. And shoot, zip them two off. Get that off, that choke off. Shit, it's a wrap. And what? It's like two little jets inside this bowl. I just flipped it over. I didn't take the float or nothing out. I'll take that back. I did take the float out. I took the needle apart. Cleaned everything up. All the little passageways and even them little, I can't think of what they called right now, but I cleaned everything out. Put some fresh gas in it. Had to retune the carburetor, of course, because I took all the set screws and stuff out. And shoot, yeah, it's running like a top now. So, man, I need to find this damn center bolt. I don't know what happened to it. I took it to the park one day and shit, I noticed it was gone. Oh yeah, and I also need to order another one of these setups. It's a Speedo battery. This still works. This is the gear indicator and the turn signals and stuff and the lights. That part still works. But yeah, I broke all that up. I busted all that up. So I need to get another one. I just haven't looked up where to get it from yet. But yeah, my brakes still good. This thing need to be cleaned off. You can tell it's been sitting. Ooh, look at that exhaust pipe. I need to take that thing off too. That's gonna be another probably a little upgrade that I do to this thing. Change the exhaust pipe, and I like to put a bigger carburetor on it. Maybe even change the sprockets, change the gearing up so it'll run a little faster, But that's no here nor there, I want to make sure my kids can ride it first before I start doing all these upgrades to it. But what I got going on, what I want to do with this thing, I at least want to put the nose back of it on. That way I can have my lights and stuff, And but the way this is all made up, this part attaches to the fairings. instead of it, having its own support, off the frame and whatnot. To me, which is kind of, the way it's set up now is stupid, because any little thing, the only thing that secures it is this part right here. And little three bolts on each side. And you gotta basically have this on too. You gotta have this just to put that on both, and it's stupid design. But anyway, oh shit, yeah, it tell you. Oh yeah, well, at least with that off, you can see everything you can see what it is. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. I'm gonna put these back on, I guess. I like to try to put them back on it to a way to where this would be secured to the frame somewhat, but it requires me to do some type of welding and stuff, which I don't have no problem with it, but I don't have nothing to, first of all, I don't have no stud metal lying around right now, so that's out the question. And if I did, then I'll do something with it, but it ain't no big deal. I'm just gonna put them back on. I'd just rather have it on. So I'm gonna go and start messing with this stuff. Damn, I gotta find all my little screws and stuff. Let me find all the screws and stuff. Now I'll turn y'all back on once I start putting it back together. Ooh, dang. I just now looked at that. Man, my brake pedals all rusted up, and it's starting to pit, and my kickstart. Damn steam plug. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get this started with it or whatnot. Get situated, find them bolts, and I'll catch y'all back on. Alright, y'all. Found my bolts and start putting them on. Y'all just do a little bit of paint on them, on that Bluetooth thing, so they won't rust up no more. So I leave this thing outside. I got those. I got the back bolt secured up right now. I'm gonna get ready to zip this one on there. I wish I could set y'all down somewhere. Let me toss it now. Alright, y'all, gotta put it back together. At least some front end and the fairings. Gas tank ain't nothing. That ain't shit. All I gotta do is take that off and slide it back on. And I'm watching LSCR254 on the live. A little terrible on the live like that, but yeah, shit. I guess I'm finna go on here and go for a test run again with everything on there. And shit, I guess this is gonna be the end of it, unless I can record it and ride with y'all, which I know I can because it's just manual. Well, I'll get at y'all the next time.